Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off developer options on Redmi 13C device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. If you have been activate developer options on your device, and then here you can turn it off in this way. First thing first, please open settings menu on your device. And then here you can scroll down, and then here you can select additional settings. Okay, and then here please scroll a little bit, and then you can select developer options. After that you can turn it off by pressing this button. Okay, and then the developer options on your device is successfully turned off. That's the tutorial on how to turn off developer option on Redmi 13C device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.